Hey guys, how's it going? It's time to change your skincare products because you are tired of going to expensive parlors and spending your money like water. Are these salons influencing your purse but not your face? Then it's time to change everything. You can get a flawless skin right at home just by using home ingredients. When it comes to our health, our kitchen is the ultimate solution because here we find all the healthy and nutritious items. And eggs is one of the best items which can be found in a kitchen. It is not only used in making breakfast but also used as a skincare natural product. It will make your skin tone even and prevent wrinkles. To buy any skincare product, jewelry, skin and hair care product, visit our website beautynovel.com. Here you can get any product you may need. First remedy, egg face pack. Wash your face and separate the egg whites and apply to your skin with a cotton pad and let it dry. Then wash your face after 10 to 15 minutes. This pack helps to circulate blood and prevent wrinkles. And if you need any skincare product, then check our description down below and also watch our product review video. Then you can buy the product from beautynovel.com and use it. Second remedy, egg yolk for dry skin. Mix some honey with egg yolk and apply to your skin after washing. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash your face again. This will help to moisturize your skin and prevent dryness. Third remedy, egg whites for oily skin. Mix some multani soil with egg whites and apply to your face. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash off. This pack will take the oiliness away and make your skin look fresh. And if you need any skincare product, then check our description down below and also watch our product review video. Then you can buy the product from beautynovel.com and use it. Fourth remedy, egg with milk and carrot juice. Grind carrot and mix with egg and milk. Apply it on your face and wait for 10 to 20 minutes, then wash off. This pack is a good pack for preventing aging lines. Fifth remedy, egg with bason and lemon juice. First mix some bason with egg and then add a few drops of lemon juice and apply it on your skin. Leave it for 20 minutes and wash your face. Sixth remedy, egg pack to prevent wrinkles. Just apply the egg white separated carefully on your face and let it dry for 10 minutes and wash off. Then apply the moisturizer or eye gel. This pack will help to prevent the aging lines and wrinkles. If you're still not getting improvement by using these 6 remedies, then do check the description down below and watch our product review video. Then you can buy the product from beautynovel.com and use it. These 6 remedies are believed to be some of the best home remedies for skincare, but you have to remember that not every ingredient suits every skin type, so you must be careful about choosing them. Let us know if you liked our video by commenting down below and subscribe to our channel Beauty Novel to get more such videos and don't forget to watch our product review video. Let us know what kind of video you want next. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.